Hello, my name is Carter, and I'd like to show you my method in this short video. In roulette, you can bet on single numbers, for example 7 or 13. You can bet on columns, for example the first column, or on thirds of 12 numbers each. However, all these bets are useless. You will bet on colour only. You can bet any amount, from 0.1 of a euro to 100 euros. It is important that you start betting from a low amount. Bet 1 euro on black and spin the wheel. The outcome is red. That means you lose now, but don't worry. Bet 2 euros, 1 euro times 2, on black again. Spin the wheel and see what the result will be. Red again. Remember that your strategy is to double the bet when you lose. So now you will bet 4 euros, 1 euro times 2 times 2. Black. That means you win. The amount won is 8 euros. After you win, it is very important to clear bets. Again, start betting only from 1 euro. You lose.
The winning number is 20
That
black.
means you must double your bet again. Bet 2 euros, 1 euro times 2, and continue playing. Red. That means you win 4 euros. After you win, always clear the bets and start betting from the initial amount, 1 euro. You bet on black, and the outcome is red. You have to double your bet. 2 euros. Great! The outcome is black, so you win 4 euros. You should now be familiar with the method I use to make money. If you have some questions, please ask me in the comments section or by email.